Are you interested in learning the skills and techniques used by police, private or professional investigators to get information, collect evidence, or conduct your own personal investigation? Then let me teach you how to become your own super sleuth. Hello and welcome to Forensic by Design. My name is Dan Johnson. I am a former member of the Canadian Military Police and a Special Police Constable with 2 government agencies. I am also a private investigator and a certified fraud examiner. I have over 35 years of complex criminal and civil investigation experience. I hold a degree in forensic investigation with a specialty in economic crime, and am also a graduate of the Canadian Forces School of Intelligence and Security. So why am I going to be producing educational videos on investigation skills and techniques? Well, throughout my law enforcement career, I observed situations when people were at a disadvantage because they could not afford private or professional investigation services. They could have easily conducted their own investigation to get that information or evidence needed if they had the investigative knowledge. In other situations, such as when involved with government agencies, their public agents may not be acting in your best interest, contrary to the people they were sworn to serve. This issue will be the subject of a further video. Without this investigative knowledge, people can easily be exploited for profit or abuse by people they entrusted, or by those in authority such as government agents and business representatives. So how does this happen? Well, they rely on your ignorance to take advantage at your expense. Many of the investigation resources used by police, private and professional investigators are accessible to anyone for free or at a minimal cost. You just need the knowledge on where to find these resources and how to use them. Private investigators are hired for their expertise. They are generally former law enforcement officers or other trained professionals who offer investigation services for a cost. Their services can be expensive. However, depending on the situation, it may be advisable to hire a private investigator rather than conduct your own investigation. However, there are also other situations when it may be to your benefit to conduct your own investigation. Understanding the investigation process will also help determine if a situation requires a professional investigator or if you can do it yourself. Be aware, though, that offering private investigation services commercially for others without a license may be an offense, but it is not an offense if conducting investigations for your own purposes. So what happens when everyone has access to knowledge or affordable investigation skills and techniques? Well, you become more successful in finding information or collecting evidence. You become a better problem solver and decision maker. You are less likely to get exploited by abuse and misinformation. You reduce costs and you get smarter. So if I have caught your attention and my videos may be of interest, feel free to comment and request topics for future videos. To learn investigation skills and techniques, it is important to first understand what is an investigation, which will be the subject of my next video.